How to link Facebook page to Messenger. So if you want to link your Facebook page to your Messenger, then first you need to open up your Facebook application, and you can open up your page. You can simply log into your page, and once you've logged into your page, now you can simply go for the upper right, which has that three-bar icon of your page, and now you can simply go for settings, which is on the upper right. And once you're here on your settings, now you will have link account option, right? Tap on linked account, and here you will have messenger option. So for now I don't have messenger option, so here you may have messenger, Instagram, Facebook, so that you can link your Facebook page to your messenger. So if that's available in your region, then you can simply go for messenger and link your messenger to your Facebook page. So that's it. That's how you link your Facebook page to your messenger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.